Purple and pink and green.
Oh, that is precious.
It's killing you. It's killing you.
No.
Is that your horsey, Ruby, from Aunt Heidi and Uncle Sean?
What do you think the horse's name is?
Okay.
What does the
I
horse
might
say?
have to have you do that. Do you remember picking this out?
He didn't want me to have another shot. But I told Chelsea I'd have one after, so I didn't want
Look at this, baby. It's yours.
That's,
It's yours.
that's from Heidi. She wants you to get on first. Watch,
Okay.
Heidi will do it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm
Get
just
up,
on
get up,
video.
get up, get up, get up, get up. Okay, don't break
She
it.
wants you to rock. She wants you to rock.
Yay! Whee!
You know you're on video, right?
Great.
Where it goes? Not yet. Okay.
Okay, you ready to ride?
Do you want to ride with Heidi?
Here, can't get
Not
these.
yet. It's okay. That is a pretty horsey.
It's yours. It's Ruby's.
No. I love
She's so
Can we
cute.
say yes?
Yes. That is your pony.
That's Jessie. Is that your Jessie? That's what the horse goes. Horsey goes fast.
Ruby, what's his name? What's his name? No. Ruby, you got your horsey?
No.
She's like, no. I'm gonna ride
Mama's
it.
gonna ride.
we all rode it.
Mama's gonna
Mama's
ride.
riding.